Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and today we're diving into the art of mastering our temper with the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius from the Meditations. Specifically, we'll explore Day 1's lesson, an insightful piece that speaks directly to the quick-tempered among us. Let's get started. Marcus Aurelius provides us with a powerful reminder. Let it be at hand in anger what it is in calmness, masculinity, and that being quiet and uncontentious is more humane and manly, and that such a person possesses strength, fortitude, and courage, not the one who laments and is dissatisfied. For as much as it is closer to dispassion, so it is to strength. In other words, true strength is found not in outbursts of anger, but in the quiet, controlled response. But why does anger often get mistaken for strength or masculinity? Let's look at a real-world example to illustrate this point. Think of athletes, especially in highly competitive sports. Why do they often taunt and insult each other? It's a psychological trick aimed at throwing their opponents off balance by provoking a reaction. A distracted athlete is an unfocused one, and in chaos, precision is lost. The same principle applies to our daily lives. When anger starts to bubble up inside you, it's crucial to recognize it for what it is, a weakness, a vulnerability. Anger isn't a display of strength or dominance. Instead, it's a sign of lost control. More importantly, it could be a trap laid by someone who knows how to push your buttons. Take the legendary boxer Joe Louis as an example. Known as the Brown Bomber, Louis was world champion in the 1930s and was often called a boxing machine by fans and opponents alike. Why? Because he was incredibly unemotional and calm in the ring. His cold, calm demeanor was far more intimidating than any display of wild aggression. Louis understood that his real power lay in his self-restraint and composure, not in giving in to emotional outbursts. Now, think about how this applies to your life. Imagine facing a stressful situation at work or home. Your quick temper starts to flare up, and you feel the urge to lash out. It's at this moment that you need to embody what Marcus Aurelius is teaching us. Strength isn't in the shout, it's in the silence. It's in the ability to restrain oneself and maintain composure. Remember, the ability to be a person who never loses their composure and cannot be disturbed is the real mark of strength. So how can we achieve this level of self-control? Here are some actionable tips to help you along the way. 1. Pause and breathe. The first step is to create a moment of pause. Take a deep breath and count to 10. This simple act can help you regain control over your emotions. 2. Reflect before responding. Ask yourself, what would a calm and composed person do in this situation? Reflect on your values and the kind of person you want to be. 3. Reframe the situation. Try to view the situation from a different perspective. What can you learn from it? How can it help you grow? 4. Practice regular reflection. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on moments when you were quick-tempered. What triggered you? How could you have responded differently? 5. Physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise can help manage stress and reduce the likelihood of anger flaring up. In closing, remember that strength is in the restraint, the quiet courage, and the calm demeanor, not in the angry outburst. As Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, as much as it is closer to dispassion, so it is to strength. I hope you found this exploration of Marcus Aurelius's teachings on handling anger insightful and practical. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom and practical tools for living a resilient, calm, and fulfilling life. Until next time, stay strong and stay stoic.